Trust in leadership is fast eroding. Why is that happening? Is it because we are operating from paradigm of ego, superficialness, and greed? Is ego, superficialness, and greed leading to dehumanizing of workplaces? And if so, where can we find the answer for humanizing workplace again? Dehumanization of workplace has given us extraordinary efficiencies and material gains. Now that they are there, isn't it our job to humanize workplaces again? To bring empathy, service, and the goodness of selfless action in the workplaces again? Our business is there only to cut invoices and increase sales? Or should businesses be also helping in searching inner voices and building inner voices of the people who work over there? Think about this. That's my take. What's yours?